Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. One of the questions I often hear as a priest is, Father, gaano katagal bago maging pare? How long will it take you to be a priest? At sa totoo lang po, iba-iba. May iba 5 to 6 years, merong 11 years, at kung katulad ko pong maagang nag-umpisa, pwedeng abutin ng mga 15 to 16 years bago ka maging pare. Along the way, many leave. Others by choice, others by need. Basta iba-iba. Pero kung tatanungin ninyo ako kung bakit iba-iba ang duration bago kami maging pare, I think it is all because of God's timing and faithfulness. May timing at katapatan ang Diyos. Dear friends, we heard in the gospel about Jesus healing a woman who had been crippled for 18 years. The woman suffered for a very long time, but finally, God's grace touched her. Alam niyo po, ito yung maganda at yung exciting part sa gospel. Kasi sabi po doon, she was bent over, completely incapable of standing erect. And when Jesus saw her, He called to her and said, "Woman, you are set free from your infirmity." O, diba? Ni wala pang sinasabi yung matanda, tinawag na siya ni Jesus. Wala pa siyang ginagawa, pinagaling na siya. Wala pa siyang hinihingi, ibinigay na ni Jesus yung kagalingang ininda niya sa loob ng 18 taon. Dear brothers and sisters, I think this reminds us that God's delay are not denials. Healing comes in His time. And there are times when even before we ask for what we need, healing man yan, kung anong blessing man yan, kung anong kailangan man natin yan, there are times that God makes the first move. God takes the initiative. And maybe right at this moment, we may already be thinking of our concerns, our heartaches, our desolations, and all. And many of us might think na, baka hindi naman napapansin ng Diyos yung paghihirap ko o yung nararanasan ko. Dear friends, Jesus reminds us today not to worry. Kasi He might be the first one to call us even before we ask Him. God might be the one taking the initiative right now and making the first move in us. Kahit naabutin man tayo ng 16 years o 18 years, umasa tayo. Kasi God's timing is always perfect. His faithfulness is always in effect. Amen.